And we're back with a look at Singapore's residential real estate market. Now, recent data shows price growth of private property slowing in Q1, up just 0.7%. This in part due to cooling measures introduced by the government in December of last year. But many believe that resilient demand and tight supply will continue to support prices. COVID curbs have resulted in labour shortages in the sector, and property developers also seem to be reluctant to lower their prices as they grapple with high wages and raw material costs. Leonard Tay is the head of research for Singapore at Knight Frank and joining us from just down the road here in Singapore. Leonard, thanks a lot for being with us today. Let's talk about the rental market first, if we could. The data from the URA shows a big spike in rental costs in Singapore property, which strikes me as really quite surprising given the fact that for 2 years we've been locked down with no new incoming. The expat population reportedly shrinking by 10% over the course of that time. What accounts for the strong rental market?
Okay, so at the recent release, the URA, the rental index increased by 4.2% on quarter in the first quarter this year. This is after expanding about 9.9% for the whole of 2021 last year. They are quite. It's a combination of factors actually where they have contributed to the tight rental market and as a result, escalating rents. Firstly, tenants are more likely to maintain their leases now in spite of the vaccinated travel framework where you can travel because there is still some uncertainty tied to traveling. The open borders with the vaccinated travel framework and pre-departure testing no longer needed. This will encourage more to enter Singapore. More foreign professionals and skilled workers can be expected in the months ahead. After all, these professionals and executives are attracted to Singapore's stability and modern infrastructure, especially when there are tensions, elsewhere around the world. Right now, because after the cooling measures, there is additional tax for foreign buyers. So foreigners are not buying at the moment. They are renting, and that's contributing to the higher rents.